Hello everyone, this is John from the Art of Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 11th of November afternoon. So we will talk about some charts again. Alright, three charts, three different stories. Alright, we will start with wheat. Wheat is, I know like you just hear that much from me, but it's one of the most valuable assets in the market because the wheat is the oldest commodity in really dark, even in the dark ages, in just beginning of human history. It's all related to keeping food safe. We have built homes, we have developed technology to keep our food safe and as well ourselves as well. And so that's why it's always valuable asset in the world. Even I will just tell you something strange for you. We are talking about like a gold, silver, and other things. Gold's year-to-date return right now, and with this big jump yesterday, still minus 1.8. So if you just think that someone who is holding $1,000 worth of gold at the beginning of this year, right now it's almost like a $990, something like that. It's not going up. But if someone just keeps wheat in hand, the year-to-date turnover is 25%. That money will be 1,250. That's why I'm saying that. That's why I'm saying that wheat is, in many cases, not explored asset. Not a lot of people are speaking about this one. They just speak about gold, oil, and other prices. But what about the food inflation? So the food inflation is happening. Like just imagine in agricultural fields, all the tractors, all the other things are using that diesels, that fuel. If the oil prices goes up, then the price of the cost of cultivating will go high. Then the price of food will go high. The wheat prices will go high, and the labor, the world, you may never know, but it's aging in developed countries. In developed countries, it's getting a lot of people are aging and less people are working in agricultural fields. So a lot of people only consume and less people day by day produce. This is affecting the labor prices, the wages. So another cost rise. So if these all these costs rise and the price of wheat, soybean, sugar, other things, coffee, all of them will rise as well. And you can benefit from this one, just buying and then just keeping that one or trading. You just see on our chart that a lot of movements, a lot of profit. I'm seeing not only like a green candles and red candles, I'm seeing a lot of profits on here because we have told to buy. This was the end of contract. A lot of people didn't want to, a lot of traders didn't want to get physical delivery, so they just dumped their contracts. So a sell-off has started, but the first day of the contract they have bought the contract and the price has rising again. From this point we made another video and said that all right, let's buy wheat because it will go high again. The price of energy is related with other costs. If energy price goes higher, the price of foods goes higher. Then now we are testing 800 level again. So this time it's getting like a testing another like a high level. If it cannot go higher than this resistance. Sell wheat and make money. So please just follow these commodity and make good amount of money. Let's look at the other chart, that is S&P index, how it is reacting. Let's see together.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Market.
All right, we are in S&P chart. As you can see here, S&P is not moving that much. It has lost its volatility, and there was a trend of like a really high points, but it was broken. We have seen this trend change in US oil as well, and after that one we have seen a lot of correction in oil. Same thing is happening in S&P. So we will see lower levels. At least it will try this support level, which is 4,615 levels will be tested in S&P in near future. Why I'm saying this one? Because the earnings season almost completed, and then the companies like left are not big movers. And it has made a lot of profit, so people will realize these profits. They will close their positions and then they will turn to cash. When they do that, the market will make the correction. And especially from Fed side, if we just hear a lot of some fresh news about tapering and rate hike, S&P and Nasdaq will be affected seriously. So why they will just tell something about interest rate hike or tapering? Because the market has just heated up so much, and then there is growing demand, but not enough supply, and then that's triggering the inflation in a bad way. So they have to cool down the market, just tapering more and keeping the rates higher. I'm not saying they're keeping rates higher overnight, but they were planning in 2023, but right now they are speaking in 2022 July, sooner than planned. Those news are affecting the markets, especially stocks, more and more. So I'm expecting this support level first, then we may see another hike, but right now the correction time has arrived. It seems like that. Let's look at Tesla. All right, it's all the time high, and it has tested all time high record levels. And then what happened? Elon Musk said that, all right, a lot of people are just telling different stories, so I'm making a poll on Twitter, and if you want me to sell those assets, then I will just sell those assets. And they have informed even SAC that they have Elon Musk sold some of his portfolio Tesla stocks, like 10% of that one he has sold. So with those news, it has dropped 11% in just one day. This one has happened. From that moment, some other people has set itself and then has seen these prices as a good point to get in, because right now, okay, Tesla is a big company, but the potential is bigger than right now. It's energy company, it's car company, and they're sending satellites to orbit, and in a few years they may be the biggest internet provider of the world, and they are producing battery and in green technology. In Glasgow, a lot of promises have been made, and a lot of people said like there will be trillion of dollars will be poured into green technology. And in green technology, the batteries are the key element. Let me just explain. So you're just producing energy from sun in the daytime. If you don't keep that one in batteries, you cannot use that one in the nighttime. The peak time for electricity is the evening and nighttime. So to keep that energy in storage, they will need batteries. Tesla mega packs are the best solution right now in the market. There are more alternatives, but a lot of big projects prefer Tesla mega packs. So there are a lot of things to offer in coming years. So people have seen these prices. All right, it's 200 less, so I can just get in and I can just make more money. A lot of people believe in the technology of the Tesla. This was the reason why they are buying the Tesla stocks. I'm saying as well, like myself as well, I'm making some investment in Tesla stocks and still holding. The reason, as I said, there are a lot of different things Tesla can serve, especially into next year. Just next year, there will be a lot of car production. Giga Berlin in Europe factory will be in service. They will start in production probably at the end of this year. Like that means next month, and they will start to deliveries at the beginning of the first quarter of 2022. And Gigafactory Austin in Texas, it will be starting production next month as well. So these are good news. They will just double the production capacity of the cars. That's important. And there's a new mega pack factory, and there are some other extension in Giga Shanghai. They are working on to build public price car, like that one, like you remember, like on the opening of Shanghai factory, Elon Musk said this is like starting off like a Model 3 and Model Y, but in China from today we are starting to plan 25,000 priced car domestically produced in China right now. They are trying to produce that car next year. So there are a lot of room to go for Tesla. I'm not saying just buy all the Tesla right now, but these prices will be just something like this. First, the market will just observe these prices, and then there will be some accumulation. There will be some like vertical this one, but then it will go up eventually if we don't see any negative news about that one. If everything goes like this, the price of Tesla has a lot of room to go. Thanks so much for watching. We will be together on more news, and then we will cover more analysis with you tomorrow. Have a nice and great day. Bye.